The oil life indicator in your 2019-2024 Jeep Wrangler monitors oil quality, not level, displaying a percentage on the dashboard. It estimates remaining oil life based on engine revolutions, temperature, idle time, and trip data. After each oil change, it's crucial to reset this indicator to ensure accurate monitoring and prevent premature low oil warnings. To reset, first, turn the ignition to the on-run position without starting the engine. Navigate to the Oil Life or Vehicle Info option using the steering wheel buttons or touchscreen. Press and hold the Menu or OK button for 5 to 10 seconds. The indicator should reset to 100%, restarting the monitoring cycle. Remember, always perform this reset after an oil change. Failing to do so can lead to inaccurate readings and potential engine issues. Models from 2019-2020 often use analog clusters with buttons, while 2021 to 2024 models feature touchscreens like Uconnect 5.0. Resetting the oil life indicator is generally safe if done correctly, but improper resets or neglecting actual oil changes can lead to engine problems. Bypassing the system using OBD2 tools is not recommended and may void warranties or trigger check engine lights. A growing trend is the integration of Uconnect apps, allowing remote oil life checks and resets via smartphones. Future developments may include AI-enhanced algorithms for personalized reset recommendations based on driving data. However, cybersecurity concerns with connected systems are also emerging, prompting manufacturers to enhance encryption. Always consult your owner's manual or dealership for model-specific instructions, as variations exist and improper resets can lead to costly diagnostics. Expert opinions emphasize that the system is designed for high accuracy when reset properly, but DIY shortcuts are discouraged. AAA data indicates that a significant percentage of oil-related engine failures stem from ignored indicators, so it's crucial to follow the correct procedures.